Let's go to the task 3. Well, the task 3 is about writing and speaking. What is the task 3 about, Ronnie?
Writing and speaking.
Okay, so what do we have to do here? We have to make notes about a city that you know well. Mubashir, what do we have to do?
So we have to make a note, the city
Okay.
we know very well.
Exactly. And then talk about the city with your partner. Shahid, after we make some notes about a city that we know very well, what do we have to do next?
Yeah.
I have discussed with my partner about the city,
Exactly.
their negative and positive aspects, and we have to also discuss how we can make change.
Okay, perfect. So you've got only 2 minutes to do this activity, okay? To write a paragraph about a city that you know very well. You have to make notes about a city that you know well. Go and write some notes quickly. You've only got 2 minutes to do this task.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Sir, after updating the app,
Yes.
all the previous tasks
Don't worry.
were did.
No. Nothing's gonna be erased, okay? Everything's been saved in your account. You can easily log in again. And you're gonna get your all activities saved.
Sir, I have logged in again, but there is nothing here.
I'm sorry, I don't get it.
Sir, I have logged in again, but there is nothing here.
I mean, okay,
All the
what do you mean by
previous tasks-
nothing?
Sir, my saved tasks are not here.
You know what? You must be having a bad connection. You can log out and log in again, and then you can go to your previous topics, and then you can check it out.
Okay, sir.
If
My internet
yes,
isn't working very
that's
well.
why. Okay, that's why you're facing the problem right now. Okay,
Okay.
good. Asif,
Yes, sir.
how many sentences have you written until now?
Yes, sir.
How many sentences have you written?
Sir, I am doing.
Okay, good job. Do it as fast as possible.
Yes.
Ronnie, are you doing it?
Yes, sir, I try.
Okay, good. Shahid, could you please tell me about your effort that you've made until now?
I am doing some sentences.
Okay, so now, Shahid.
Yes.
And Mubashir. Okay, Shahid, your partner is Mubashir. So what you have to do is you have to click on the icon to start your recording, and then you can say your notes to Mubashir. Okay,
Bush, are you ready?
Okay. You click on the icon, Shahid, and start speaking.
Yes, I have started my recording.
Okay.
Is there Bush hearing me?
Mubashir, can you hear him?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay, go ahead. He can hear you.
Okay. No, I am talking about a city which is the which has a big part in Pakistan economic, and it is third of Pakistan tax largest in the country.
Okay.
Okay.
It generates approximately 20% of Pakistan's entire GDP. I am talking about Karachi.
Okay.
Karachi is the capital of the Pakistani province of Sindh, situated on the Arabian Sea.
Okay.
Karachi facing a lots of problems from for 3 or 4 decades and before as well, like
Okay.
pollution, traffic, water, electricity.
Okay. Karachi has been facing many problems for years.
Yes.
Okay.
On the other hand, it is also a big pillar for Pakistani economy.
Okay.
This is challenging conditions if there are traffic and electricity, such problems are facing that city, then how it is possible in future that that it can be generating same revenue in future for the Pakistani economy and better that as well.
Okay.
So
Good
it's
job.
not possible. So
Good
we
job.
have to make a big plan for that city, and there should be great leaders,
Okay.
great establishments would play an important role for that city improvements. So
Okay.
there, if the governors make a play a good role for this city
If the
to
governor,
eliminate
if
eliminate
if the governor
if
plays
the,
a good role in his job, okay.
then this city is produce much more revenue for the Pakistan, because
Okay, then the
all the
city
urban
can produce more revenue for Pakistan. Okay. Okay. Go
its
ahead.
location is very uh,
Attractive.
attractive for
It's
the international business communities.
okay. Its location is very attractive for international businesses. Good job. Now click on submit, please. Thank you.
Oh,
Mubashir,
Yes, sir.
it's your turn. Please click on the icon to start recording and then start to speak about what you have written until now.
Okay, sir. Sir, I cannot record right now, but I will complete it
Okay.
later.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead and start to speak.
Okay. Shahid, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I know a city which is very famous city of Punjab, Pakistan. I'm talking about the city Gujranwala. The
Okay.
city is very rich with big iron industries and factories of plastic and tiles. And the city is playing a very big role uh, in the economy of Pakistan, like
Okay.
in sport industry.
Okay.
Uh, so the city is located in a very good location in Punjab, where you can invest your money to start a business. Just
Okay.
and the city is known as the city of Pahalwan.
Okay.
That's great.
Good job. Perfect. Okay. So now we have to make a pair share of Rani and Asif. Are you guys ready
Yes,
for the
sir.
activity?
Yes, sir.
Good. Asif, you have to click on this icon to start recording, and then you can start to speak about what you have written until now.
Okay, sir.
Please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Can I, sir?
Yes, please.
Now I am sharing about Lahore city. It is a big city and it is very beautiful city. Mostly things are available here. It is a big hub of factories.
Most of the
There
things.
are,
Most of the
yes, sir,
things are available here. Okay. Go
here.
ahead.
Yes, sir. It is a big hub of factories. There are many opportunities to get job. There are many sectors where we can enroll ourselves for the purpose of study or any job.
For
In
the
this city,
purposes.
there is a
For
biggest
the
university named as University of the Punjab. In this city, many, yes, sir.
okay purposes. Okay, purposes. Go ahead. Okay, there are many different universities
Sorry,
in
sir.
Lahore. Go ahead. Keep speaking, my friend.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay, but I can clearly hear you. Please keep
Yes, sir.
doing this activity. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Can I read again?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. From starting or
In the middle,
where I stop?
where you left.
Oh, okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. There are many. There is okay. Sorry, sir. There are many opportunities to get job. There are many sectors where we can enroll ourselves for the purpose of study or any job. In this city, there is a biggest university named as University of the Punjab. In this city,
There
many
is
beautiful places.
there is a big university, not a biggest. Okay, there is a
Okay.
big university which is known as Punjab University. Okay.
Yes, sir. In this city, many beautiful places are present, such as Badshah Mosque,
Okay.
Shahi Kila,
Good.
Shahi Kila, Minare Pakistan, etc.
Okay. Good
There
job.
are
Perfect.
there are
Now click on submit.
there are
Okay. Now click on submit and submit your activity right now. Thank you very much.
okay, sir.
Okay. Good.